Project code ITRSSI04. Project title Leaving the Space for Emergency Vehicle by Using RSSI Technique. So, theme of the project. So, we are going to develop a RSSI based system, so which is going to provide the space for emergency vehicles in traffic in roadside. So, main drawbacks in the existing system. In real time scenario, main drawbacks in the existing means, so whenever an emergency vehicle like ambulance commits, so other vehicles uh, need to go slow and give path to the emergency vehicle. So this scenario is not possible because due to the large quantity of vehicles in the roadside, and also a large number of high traffic. So these are the drawbacks in the existing system. So this one is overcome using our proposed method using RSI. So RSI system is placed inside the ambulance system or emergency vehicle. So whenever the ambulance system is coming in the roadside, so other vehicles, so leave space for the ambulance system in the roadside. So in the ambulance system, having implemented the some master, other vehicles like a car, a bus, everything is a act as a slave. So in existing concept, so manual control of vehicles, and then road is not continuously monitored for emergency vehicle coming. So in existing drawbacks, it takes some time delay to reach hospitals. So in proposed system, we are using implementing a RSSI system. So RSSI means receive signal strength indication. So using this technique, here we are using on a Wi-Fi based system, so which is should be enable hotspot. So in the receiver section, the signal strength is measured, and based on the signal strength, the second device will respond. So in proposed method, it is faster response, and then this is low cost for implementation. So here the transfer section, this is an ambulance. Here the ambulance acts as a server. Here we are using on mobile phone, which will produce the hotspot, and the signals is transmitted in the air. In the receive section, it is implemented in other vehicles. Here one controller is there, Arduino Uno controller. Here the transmitted Wi-Fi signal is received using Node MCU, act as a RSS receiver, receive the Wi-Fi strength signal and transmit to the Arduino, and the signal strength is displayed in LCD, and in audio it will play using speaker, and the motor speed is controlled using motor driver. So audio is played using APR model, audio playback recorder model. So these are the audio requirements. So first one is Arduino. We are using Arduino Uno. So IC name is Atmega 328, and then its operating voltage is plus 5 volt DC. So next one is its pin configuration. So it having two types of pins. One is digital, another one is analog. In digital, it having 0 to 13 pins. In analog, it having A0 to A5 pins. Here we are using a communication of UART, PWM, etc. So second one is LCD. Here we are using 16 cross to LCD. This one is column. This one is row. Its operating voltage is plus 5 volt DC. So next one is APR model. APR means audio playback recorder, having 8 channels. Each channel can record of 90 seconds of audio. Its operating voltage is plus 5 volt DC. Next one is motor driver L293D motor driver. Yes, it is used to change polarity of motor. So operating voltage is plus 5 volt DC. So next one is using ESP8266 version 12E, which is received to receive the Wi-Fi signal strength. Supporting voltage is plus 5 volt DC. Next one is software requirements. Here we are using the software Arduino IDE for coding and the programming language here using embedded C. Here embedded C is a C language plus accessing of hardware. So example where we are using the RSSI. First one in traffic control, second one in ambulance arrival system, third one is school zone, fourth one is digital monitoring, etc. And then final conclusion. So we're going to develop a RSSI based system which is going to track the vehicles and control the vehicle, track the ambulance, control the vehicle's speed in roadside. Thank you.